As 2026 unfolds, the camera industry finds itself at a crossroads. For more than a decade, mirrorless and hybrid cameras have been dominated by the familiar trio of Sony, Canon, and Nikon. While these brands have delivered reliable innovation, most releases have focused on incremental improvements rather than redefining what a professional camera can do. Into this landscape steps DJI, a company long celebrated for its drones, gimbals, and stabilization systems. With the DJI Mirrorless Camera reportedly gaining FCC approval, DJI is officially stepping into the professional imaging arena, signaling a potential disruption to the long-standing hierarchy of mirrorless brands. The significance of DJI's entry cannot be overstated. The company is no longer simply an accessory or drone manufacturer, it is positioning itself as a full-scale imaging innovator. Early leaks suggest that the DJI Mirrorless Camera will feature a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, designed to balance high-resolution still photography with cinema-quality video performance. This makes it a hybrid powerhouse capable of appealing to photographers who demand extreme detail as well as filmmakers seeking oversampled 8K or high frame rate 4K recording. But what truly sets this camera apart is DJI's focus on creating a fully integrated ecosystem that combines hardware, software, and optics in ways legacy brands have yet to achieve. Lens access has historically been a barrier for new camera systems, but DJI appears to have addressed this challenge by joining the L-mount alliance alongside Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma. This alliance grants immediate access to a wide range of high-performance lenses, combining DJI's innovative mirrorless body with some of the sharpest optics on the market. The DJI Mirrorless Camera could thus deliver performance rivaling systems that cost significantly more, whether through Leica's renowned color science or Sigma's precise optical clarity. By pairing premium lenses with advanced in-body features, DJI positions itself as a serious competitor in high-end imaging. Physical design rumors indicate that DJI is moving away from the conventional DSLR-inspired look. The camera is expected to feature a magnesium alloy body with advanced thermal management, allowing prolonged recording of high-resolution video without overheating. This is particularly important for filmmakers who require extended 8K or high frame rate 4K capture. DJI's experience in drone cooling systems, miniaturized for the mirrorless platform, could make overheating a non-issue, giving creators freedom to push the camera to its limits. In addition, DJI's mastery of precise lens motors from the Ronin gimbals could translate into industry-leading autofocus performance, even in low light or near-dark conditions. Color science is another area where the DJI Mirrorless Camera may have an edge. Reports suggest the system could utilize the Hasselblad Natural Color Solution HNCS, previously featured in DJI's X2D, delivering natural, vibrant skin tones and true-to-life landscapes. This approach, combined with a simplified, intuitive user interface inspired by DJI's Fly app, may reduce the steep learning curve associated with traditional mirrorless systems. By focusing on usability and intelligent software design, DJI could allow creators to concentrate on capturing images rather than navigating complex menus. Integration across devices is a core advantage for DJI. Modern creators often juggle drones, gimbals, action cameras, and mirrorless bodies, each with separate batteries, media formats, and color profiles. Early speculation indicates the DJI Mirrorless Camera could act as a central hub, with integrated receivers for DJI Mic 2, drone-to-camera monitoring, and eSIM-based cloud uploads. This ecosystem-level design would reduce setup times, streamline post-production, and allow a seamless creative workflow. The camera would not only capture imagery but also manage data, color, and connectivity across devices, offering unprecedented efficiency for solo creators and production teams alike. Stabilization is a feature where DJI could redefine industry standards. Drawing on years of mechanical and electronic stabilization expertise, the camera may deliver gimbal-like handheld performance without external support. Internal electronic variable ND filters, typically found only in high-end cinema cameras, could provide precise exposure control in rapidly changing outdoor conditions. Together, these capabilities would allow photographers and filmmakers to execute shots previously achievable only with additional tools or elaborate setups, making the DJI mirrorless camera a highly versatile tool for creators on the move. From a market positioning perspective, DJI's mirrorless entry is particularly strategic. Sony dominates autofocus technology, Canon is praised for ergonomics and color accuracy, and Nikon excels in sensor quality. DJI, however, brings a combination of rapid innovation, deep software integration, and creative system design that no other brand currently offers. By combining a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor with L-mount lenses and AI-driven features, the DJI mirrorless camera promises hybrid capabilities that meet the needs of both professional photographers and filmmakers. This positions DJI not just as an alternative, but as a potential leader in next-generation hybrid imaging. Pricing will be another crucial factor. Early leaks suggest DJI may target a $2,800–3,200 range, undercutting the flagship offerings of Sony and Canon while delivering comparable or even superior functionality. Along with the integrated ecosystem, AI predictive autofocus, and simplified workflow, this pricing strategy could make the DJI mirrorless camera an irresistible option for creators seeking professional-grade performance without paying top-tier prices. In conclusion, the DJI mirrorless camera is more than a product, it represents DJI's intent to redefine professional imaging. By blending high-resolution sensors, advanced stabilization, cinematic color science, and seamless ecosystem integration, DJI could provide a mirrorless system that handles high-end still photography and video with equal proficiency. For photographers, filmmakers, and hybrid creators, this camera promises a new era of innovation, efficiency, and creative freedom. With this launch, DJI signals its ambition to evolve from a drone and accessory manufacturer into a central player in professional imaging, potentially reshaping the competitive landscape and redefining what creators expect from a mirrorless camera.